Bear down. TD here, coming at you live from the Sanctuary of Satisfaction. Bears halftime quick recipe show, and this is TD's Brewing Barbecue. Brown sugar beer brats. The Bears may be losing to the Vikings, but these brown sugar beer brats, they don't get beat. 2 red onions, 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of carne sutra to it. I take my brats and I stick them in the butter and I put them on the grill. Did you guys see that catch? The Brat Jacuzzi. A cup of brown sugar. There's nothing finer than an ice cold shiner. We're gonna bring it to a boil. We're getting some good char on our brats. Let's have a beer with everybody. Don't bust the skin. That's where all the goodness comes out. You can see we're getting a good char. But do not bust the skin on the brat. Do not poke it with a fork. Do not bust the skin on the brat. Cheers. It is Bloody Sunday and I haven't had a Bloody Mary yet. Also, don't want it to be too hot that it busts the skin. Yes, Green Bay does suck. It's a sausage fest in the Brat Jacuzzi. Make love to your meat. Right on to the hottest part of the fire. Close up of the Brat Jacuzzi. Total sausage fest. 15, 20 minutes. Let these brats roll. Then when we get them done, we're gonna put a little bit of southern mustard on a nice little toasted bun. We're gonna put these brats in our face. Yes, Pops, come get one. They're showing the highlights. Darnell Mooney catch. That was a sick catch. Thank you guys for watching. Join me every week here live at the Sanctuary of Satisfaction. We're at the Bears halftime quick recipe show. You guys have a good weekend. Make your weekend badass and bear down.